Hey all, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to solve a new HackerRank problem. Given that an input string abracadabra in which we have to replace the letter A at fifth index to letter K. So that is our problem. Here two lines of input are taken, which is in our first line a string input is taken, and in the second line we are going to take two inputs. One is an integer value which represents the index value, and the other is the character which we are going to replace in the place of A, right? This is the question. Before writing the code, I would like you to please refer these two methods in Python, which are split method and join method. Usually split method is used to take two inputs from a single line. If you observe here, x comma y is equals to input of enter two values dot split method. If we enter two values with spaces, they are assigned to x and y. Another method is join method. Join method is used to combine the words, and the symbol mentioned in the quotes is used to join them with that symbol. If you observe the output, join hash, John hash, Peter hash, Vicky, where those values are in the tuple, and within the quotes we have mentioned hash, so they are combined by using hash. But in our program we will use a blank space, then our words will be combined in a series manner. Now coming to the HackerRank. Here is an example given by the HackerRank which demonstrates how we can change a particular letter within a string with another letter. These lines include a type conversion of a string to a list, and then replacing the required value and changing the list again into a string and printing it, right? So let's get back to the code. Here we can observe already input methods are used to take the inputs in two lines. First is s and another is I comma c, which represents position and required character. So we're going to code in this function. So the first letter will be, so the first line will be converting the string into a list. So L equals to list of string, which converts the parameter string to a list, so that we can manipulate it and we can change it whatever we want. So the first line is this, and the second line will be giving the input, which means giving the required character to at a certain position of list. So L of position is equals to character. Note that the character is a parameter which is directly sending to the L of position, not character within the quotes, right? L of position is equals to character, and now converting the list to a string by using string is equals to quotes dot join of L. So we're converting the list L into a string with no spaces. There is no space left between the quotes, right? And last statement is return of string. Note that in Python indentation is a very much important thing, so keep it straight in parallel to the def, right? Clear. Run the code. Yeah, we got the perfect output, as expected output. Let's submit the code. Yeah, perfect. So this is the video, guys. Let's meet with another session with another good question. Hope you guys learn something from this video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.